The Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare has instructed local authorities to compile information about the number of villages and districts that have been affected by flooding after recent heavy rain. An official from the National Committee for Disaster Prevention and Control told the media about disaster preparedness and response planning, saying that a fund exists to help people affected by natural disasters. However, assistance provided by authorities from central level to local people is slow to arrive because of limited budget and poor coordination among the organizations involved. This means the communities they serve are provided with insufficient aid. Reports of flooding around the country, the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare has advised provincial and district authorities to distribute donated rice to affected households, while local communities evaluate the need for further assistance. It is essential that aid provided is in line with families' actual needs, the official said. Photos and video clips posted on social media by official mainstream news channels and local people showed how villagers in the provinces were struggling to move their belongings and vehicles from flooded areas to higher ground. The government, including the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare, will continue to raise money to provide cash, dry food, and clothing, as well as soliciting support from the general public and development partners to help people suffering from the effects of flooding. Provincial and district authorities will also organize the repair of bridges and roads and facilitate the work of volunteers distributing money, food, and clothing. Although flood-hit communities have received some assistance from provincial authorities, donors, and NGOs, many families still need help with health services, hygiene and sanitation, and provisions of general consumer items. Thousands of people are suffering from flooding after heavy rain in recent days has inundated their communities. Sayaburi, Bokeo, Sengkwang, and Vientiane provinces have all been affected by varying degrees of flooding since June 13 and 14. The Meteorology and Hydrology Department says there will be no storms from June 15 to 18, but there will be more rain in some parts of the country. Authorities warn everyone to be prepared for weather extremes and to keep track of forecasts.